Hello everyone, how are you? Fine, right? In this video, we are going to discuss types of energy. In our previous video, we have discussed about what is energy, what is its SI unit, why we use energy, what energy does for us. So I have a suggestion for you. You must watch previous video before this video. So there will be a continuity. You will get the previous information, then it will be easy for you to carry forward the new information. Let us see that what are the types of energies. You may be wondering why we have different types of energy. Why not just one? Answer is because energy depends upon work. The type of work we do, that type of energy either gets stored or get transferred. If we are walking or running, kinetic energy. If we are sitting, then potential energy. If something is getting heated, then thermal energy. If we are speaking or singing, sound energy. If this tube light, sun, light energy. Electricity, electrical energy. So it depends upon what type of work we perform. So energy or the types of energy always depends upon the type of work we perform. Now we'll see through this presentation more about types of energy. Through this presentation, we are going to understand more about energy and work, and we are going to learn how work and energy are related to each other and what is work actually. When you walk, you use energy to make you move. So actually you are using your muscular energy to make you move. And from where you got that energy? You got that energy from the food which you eat. So this is one of the example. Here you can see two vehicles which runs on petrol or diesel. So from where they get energy? Motor vehicle moved by using energy from the fuel that is burned in the engine. So they get energy from their fuel basically. That energy is transferred into the energy of movement called kinetic energy. It means fuel present in these vehicles get burned and energy of that fuel, that is chemical energy, get transformed into kinetic energy, and which helps these vehicles to move. It means kinetic energy is a energy of movement. You can see one bus over here, and then there is a engine which you can see clearly. Now we'll see what this engine does for the bus. This engine again burn the fuel which is present in it and make the bus move. And movement of this bus is called work. So these transfers of energy to make things move are called work. Here we'll understand some more example that engine of bus burn petrol or diesel to make the bus move. In case of our body, we use our muscular energy to make things move. For example, suppose you are running, then you are using your energy, your legs are using your muscular energy to make you move. Suppose you are writing, then your hands are using your muscular energy to make your hands move for writing. Suppose you are cycling, then your muscular energy of your body is get transformed into kinetic energy. So in this way, we all use energy to make things move, and that movement of object is known as, that movement in an object is known as work. So the definition of work is transfer of energy to make things move are called work. In case of this bus, the engine of a bus does work making the vehicle move. Your legs do work when you walk. Now you can see some snooker balls they also does work, Let's see how. A snooker ball does work when it strikes another ball and makes it move. So here also movement is there, and that movement is called work. So these are some of the example of work what we see in our daily life. Now we'll come to know about what are the types of energy. While energy can come in many different types, there are only two main forms of energy, and these are kinetic energy and potential energy. These energies are found in all objects. It means whatever energy we have around us, basically all can be divided into kinetic and potential, because these two are present in each and every object. These energies are found in all objects. The kinetic energy of an object is the energy it has because of its motion. So this is a definition of kinetic energy. Kinetic energy of an object is the energy it has because of its motion. Next is, what type of energy is a kinetic energy, or whether it is stored energy or whether it can be transferred. Store means which can be kept, which can be stored in any object, and transfer means which can move in the medium. So kinetic energy is basically energy which can store in any object. And there are some other energy forms also. About this we are going to learn in coming classes, that kinetic energy, internal energy, elastic potential energy, gravitational potential energy, electrical energy, magnetic energy, all these are forms of energy which can be stored in any object. So about these energies we will come to know in coming classes. Right now we are going to discuss more about kinetic energy. Now, what are the factors which affect kinetic energy? Means what can be make kinetic energy more and what can be make kinetic energy less. So basically there are two factors which affect kinetic energy of a moving object, and these are mass and speed. So mass of an object can make it more or less, and speed of an object can make it more or less. You can see these two cars over here. One is a big car and one is a small car. Kinetic energy of big car will be greater than small car because big car has greater mass if both of them are moving with the same speed. So bigger the object will have more kinetic energy. Here you can see two bicycles and almost same size. So mass of these two will be same. Then how we will know which one will have more kinetic energy? Let's see that. In case of speed, if these two bicycles have same mass, then one which is moving faster will have more kinetic energy. So the bicycle which is moving faster will have more kinetic energy. After watching this video, you need to answer these questions. First question is, define kinetic energy. Second question is, explain how work and energy are related to each other. Third question, name and explain the factors which affect kinetic energy. Fourth, a car and a heavy truck are moving along a main road side by side. Which has more kinetic energy? Explain your answer. So all of you need to answer these questions and send it to me. I hope you have got it. About energy and its types. Any doubt you can have, you can write to me.